STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths is crucial in today's world, but teaching STEM isn't just about memorizing facts or equations. It is about fostering creativity, critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's about encouraging curiosity and giving students the opportunity to explore the world around them. And your role as a STEM educator is to prepare your students for future careers and technological advancements. We will always need STEM individuals, and we need to prepare our students and enable them to become future-proof. One day, there will be jobs that we can't even think about today. Definitely stuff related to robotics, AI, or even people living on Mars. STEM is about challenges that need to be solved. Have your students solve these challenges and make sure that they do it together, because different opinions from various backgrounds will definitely help your students see STEM from different perspectives, different angles, and possibly enjoy even more. Some children are more analytical than others, whilst some are more creative. And so imagine the combination of these two worlds. It's just explosive. It's mind-blowing, honestly. We've recently asked our students to team up and work together to build a space station, considering three main factors: cost, strength, and safety for the astronauts. We saw some children going directly into the design of the space station, whilst others were more concerned about the cost-related aspect of the station and also the safety of the astronauts. There were so many different designs and so many different approaches. Everyone was correct, and it was absolutely incredible to watch. So this takes me to one way of teaching STEM that we apply at Louno Space, and it is hands-on learning. We go into the practical aspects of STEM. At the end of the day, the E in STEM means engineering, which includes lots of building stuff, but also breaking things apart and understanding in details how things work. This takes me to method number 2, which is project-based learning, which is one of my favorites. Give your students a project that they need to develop, something that they need to build. Going back to our previous example, we gave our Space Club students a few materials and told them to build a space station that would be cost-effective, safe, and strong enough to withstand macrometeorites, for example. Your role as an educator is now to enable their work. And the cool aspect of project-based learning is that they will develop skills, problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, but also trying to understand the problem and the project from different aspects. And that is a key word, problem, because one of my favorites, but also one very effective way of teaching STEM is problem-based learning. This method focuses on the critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and it also requires more brain power. In these cases, there isn't a unique way to solve a problem. They could take it from different angles, from different perspectives, and this is indeed the beauty of this method. As an engineer and educator myself, I love seeing this in children because it allows students to be creative but also solve a problem. And not only that, we've seen that it promotes teamwork but also leadership and followership skills. Another way to teach STEM is through inquiry-based learning. So whilst problem-based learning is more of an engineering approach, we now have a more of a scientific approach. By that I mean, have your students to go around and ask questions about what they see, what they are curious to know, but also what they need to know in order to find out more about something else or something that they need to know, if that makes sense. This will give them a sense of purpose and will definitely improve their critical thinking, problem-solving skills, but not only, also their questioning skills. In this way, your students can learn how to prioritize findings and also ask the right questions and stay motivated. However, for all these methods, we ensure that we connect STEM to real-world careers, for example, astronauts, engineers or scientists, but also real-world space missions, engineering facts or scientific facts. But not only that, we also make sure to bring in role models, because if you think about it, 50 years ago, it wasn't possible for women to become astronauts. And today, we have astronauts such as Peggy Whiston, who spent more than 650 days in space. And this is important for young girls because they can see themselves being represented and they can be curious serious about what they're doing. Remember, STEM education requires creativity, innovation, and also the right tools. But the most important thing is to place your students in the middle and understand what works for them. If you're a teacher, definitely get in touch to know more about a space-themed STEM afternoon club. If you're a parent instead, get in touch and we'll do our best to bring our club to your schools. Now, did you know about these teaching methods? Let me know in the comments and let's see how we can help each other to promote STEM education among young children. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with everyone you know. It costs you nothing, but it means the whole universe to us. My name is Mirko and this is Louno Space. Thank you for watching.